Step-by-step guide to apply for your Dubai visa. Pag-usapan natin yan. When I went to Dubai, guys, I used Emirates. Kasi si Emirates, meron siya dito. You can apply for a UAE visa na mas madali. Kasi nga, meron silang service na ganon. So sa email ticket mo, guys, makita mo sa baba, apply for UAE visa. Click that. And then just scroll down and click on apply for a UAE visa. Read through the terms, click on I agree, at saka click on continue. Now, to apply for your Dubai visa, madali lang siya. Ang kailangan mo lang yung passport mo at saka kailangan meron kang picture. Yung picture mo dapat soft copy. Later, I'll show you naman. And what's nice about here, guys, ilalabas niya dito kung ano yung Emirates flight mo. So, just select which flight it is. And then, if ever you need to have multiple entry or not, ako, I did not need it. So, I'll just click on no. And then, select the passenger who's going to apply for that visa. After that, guys, fill up all the necessary details. So, country of residence mo, expiry date, lahat. And again, truthfully, lahat ng mga details dapat tama rin. So, double check. Afterwards, diba, it will ask you if you are the applicant type, and then you have to put in your email address. And then now, ito na siya, guys. You have to upload 3 important documents. Number 1 is your passport bio page. Yung bio page, yun yung may picture mo doon sa passport mo plus yung signature portion dito. So it's like the first 2 pages. And then the passport last page is yung pinakalikod mo, the last few pages mo. Basically, ito yung last few pages mo, yung may pagong, o diba? And then, you definitely have to have your photograph as well. Important to note here, paminsan kasi kung masyado malaki yung file mo or hindi maliit enough yung file size mo, guys, you have to use their image editing tool. For me, my recommendation, dito mo na siya gawin lahat kasi mas madali i-upload mo tapos i-download niya or i-convert niya to a smaller image tapos yun yung i-upload mo. And then after you finish uploading, it will confirm na ito yung mga sinubmit mo. So for me specifically, I just submitted passport bio page, passport last page, at saka photograph ko. So guys, ito po yung total fees niya. Now, ang mistake na nagawa ko dito na huwag niyong gagayahin is nag-express visa fee ako. So meaning nun, gusto ko makuha kaagad. Which technically hindi naman kailangan. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, hindi naman kayo bukas na lilipad, huwag na kayo mag-express visa fee. Kasi okay lang naman, I applied 1 month before, nakuha ko siya dahil sa express in 1 day. Eh kung yung mga friends ko hindi naman nag-express, nakuha nila in 2 to 3 days. Hindi na kailangan. And yes, you can pay via PayPal or via your credit card. And then intay lang kayo guys, di ba? You will get this email, itong smart channels, and then mas makikita mo sa subject naman kung approved siya, and you will just have to download this document and then print. Kasi pagdating mo sa Dubai, yun yung papakita mo together with your passport, and yun na yun. O diba? Ang dali, guys.